In this tutorial, we will look at how you as a teacher can go in and review student work while in progress. So as you can see here, I'm in my team and I'm in the assignments area. Here is an assignment on the 13 colonies that is currently in progress. It's not due for a few more days. However, I can go in and still review student work to see how they're doing. I'm going to click on the assignment. And what I'm going to see here is my list of students in my class. Next to that is a status column. And this will show you viewed versus not turned in versus turned in. What viewed means is that the student has at least opened the document once where they're supposed to be doing their work, and they've at least viewed it. They may have even started writing their work. Not turned in means they haven't even opened the file at all and gone in and started it all. Turned in obviously means that they have completed the assignment and they've turned it in to you. So what you can do here is even though they're not finished with their work, you can still go in and see where they're at. So in this case, the student has viewed the document. They've probably started working on it. I'm going to click here where it says viewed, and this will open up their work. It will load right in Teams. It doesn't take you out to Word Online, which is nice and convenient. So when you're in here, what you're going to see is you can quickly look at the document to see if they've started. In this case, the student started responding to this question. And what I can do is give them some feedback. And so I'm going to do that by clicking Edit Document here. And I'm going to go to Edit in Browser. This is, again, I'm going to stay in Microsoft Teams, but Word Online will load right here within the Teams app. So now I have a toolbar to do some editing if I want to give them some feedback on the document itself. Another thing that you'll see is if the student is actually in here now at this moment, we will see the student's cursor and we'll watch them working in real time. Now what I can do up here is I can go to Insert New Comment. This is nice because it gives them feedback off to the side of the document without actually writing on their document. So let's say I wanted to give them feedback on this question they answered. I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to go to New Comment. Okay, so a pane will pop up on the right where you can write in your comment right here. So I'm going to say, nice work on this question. Remember to cite evidence. Also, be sure to answer both parts of the question. And I can click here to submit that. And I can close. And you can see here that the student can actually reply to this, and we could actually have a back and forth conversation here. So I'm going to close this comments pane. And what you'll see here is there's now an icon off to the right showing that I've provided a comment. Now, off to the far right here, you're also going to see feedback. This is for the overall feedback of the whole assignment. And this is something you'll write in later when they're finished. And this is also where you could provide their score. All right, so I'm going to close this document. And that is how you can review student work while in progress.